Chapter 2 From Doodlebug to Tusker. How interesting the life in the forest was! While trotting along with Mom, so many friends on the way. Chinu the rabbit, Cutie the deer, Kelu the fox, Meenu the parrot, Minnie the butterfly, and Papu the bear all chatted with me. What could be they doing now? Exercise. Who all were Kitten's friends? Tried to write so many creatures around us, aren't there? Kitten's friends were Chino the rabbit, Cutie the deer, Kelu the fox, Meenu the parrot, Minnie the butterfly, and Papu the bear. Yes, there are many creatures around us. There are owls, vultures, snakes, etc. Don't you keep creatures on your house too? Why do you keep them? Yes, we keep them because pets are a source of entertainment. They are living creatures that have habits and personalities that keep you laughing for hours. The childhood of Kitten the elephant was so interesting, wasn't it? Yes. What are the creatures seen in your locality? Owls, vultures, black cats, and snakes. Tabulate names of the creatures that we feed and keep in our homes for particular needs. For milk, goat, sheep, cow. For egg, hen, duck. For meat, broilers, goat. As pets, cat, dog, parrot. Do you give all these creatures the same food you eat? What are they? No, most of the time we don't give them the same food that we eat. Did you see some letter pictures of animals? Did you see some letter pictures of creatures? Add more letter pictures in your environment diary using letters in English too. A meeting in the forest. Haven't you seen the grief of creatures finding it difficult to live due to man's interference? Our friends in the forest decide to protest against such cruelties. Many creatures participated in the meeting as part of the protest. Food was prepared for all of them. Food was arranged at two places. Counter 1, vegetarian food. Counter 2, non-vegetarian food. Memory test. Who all took food from counter 1? Giraffe, deer, rabbit, elephant. Who all took food from counter 2? Tiger, lion, fox, leopard. However, some clever fellows took food from both the counter. Who could they be? Crows, pigs, skunks. Haven't you understood that all creatures do not take the same food? Yes. On the basis of the food habit, creatures can be classified into herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Creatures that eat only plant food are herbivores. Those that eat only animal food are carnivores. And those that eat both kinds of food are omnivorous. Strange creature. Fold a paper into three. Draw the head and neck of your favorite creature on the folded part. Now fold the part drawn down and ask your friend to draw the body of the creature he likes. Again fold it and ask another friend to draw legs of creature he likes. Now unfold the paper. Look at the strange creature you all have drawn. Techniques to catch prey. Haven't you wondered how animals and insects catch its prey? Well, it is really interesting to know it. Let's have a look. Haven't you seen how calots catch its prey? It catches prey using its tongue. So, now let us know how a spider catches its prey. It forms a web to trap its prey and eat them. Woodpecker. It pecks on the tree with its strong beak, splitting open the dry bark of tree and feeds on insects beneath it. It has strong claws that helps it fix itself on tree. Similarly, every organism seeks prey in different ways. Duck. I have a flat beak. Using this, I can search food in water and mud. My legs help me swim in water and stand firmly in mud without sinking into it. Doodlebug, antlion. Haven't you seen antlion catching the prey? He digs pits in dry soil of areas that do not get direct sunlight or rain. They hide in the soil pits and catch small creatures that fall into pit. Hen. It scratches the ground with its feet and pecks at food with its beak. Lion. They have sharp nails and teeth. These help them catch prey and tear it. Fox. They have sharp teeth which helps them to tear mice. For defense, have you seen a tortoise pulling back its head and legs into the shell? Different animals have different ways to escape from its predators or enemies. Have you seen any other creature using such tricks to escape from enemies? Name them. Different techniques to escape. Can you tell the ways in which the following animals escape? Calots. Camouflage into the surrounding. Porcupine shoots thorn from its body at its enemy. Squid releases ink into its surroundings. Organisms use different methods to escape from enemies. Organisms escape from their enemies by changing body color, changing shape, and shedding tail. Certain skills given by nature helps these organisms in this. Not only animals, plants too have such adaptations. Crawling, walking, flying. Don't you remember the meeting of creatures? King Lion claimed that the meeting attended by all creatures was a grand success. Some of them had to travel for days to reach the venue of meeting. The cheetah, who is the fastest runner, reached first. The snail sat on the back of the vulture who flew to the spot. The snail was proud of reaching early. Had the vulture not helped me, I don't know when I would have reached here, crawling and crawling. Try to form shadows holding your fingers as shown in the picture. Move the fingers that form the shadow figure and initiate the sound of the organism. Try to create shadow pictures of more organisms. How might the other creatures have reached the meeting? Let's try to do a list of organisms on the basis of their mode of locomotion. Those that came crawling, snail, snake, spiders. Those that came walking, fox, elephant, giraffe. Those that came flying, dragonfly, eagle, vulture. The mode of locomotion of organisms are different. Some can only crawl. Some others can fly, walk, and run. Some can walk and run. Dear friends, you all know well our croaking sound, don't you? There was a time when we lived happily in yards and fields. We made pests that fed on paddy and other crops our food. In this way we helped the farmers very much. Yet human beings killed and ate us. They leveled fields and swamps, filling them with soil. They sprayed pesticides in fields. Mustn't we protest against this? If this is our fate today, it can be yours tomorrow. Something should be done soon. Did you all listen to the frog's speech? Not only the frog, other organisms are also disappearing from the earth because of human interference. Shouldn't they be saved? Is not the earth theirs too? What can you do to spread this message to all? Won't you prepare posters, placards, etc.? Garden in the sea. Coral reefs are so beautiful to look at. They are a big world of living organisms of the sea. Coral reefs that seem like forests are the rainforests of the sea. They grow one onto another. They are very strong. They are beneficial to us in many ways. However, this garden is getting destroyed due to human interference. The destruction of this garden must be prevented. Let us assess. Classify the organisms shown in the picture on the basis of their food habits and write their names. Which creature sheds its body part to escape from enemies? A. Snake. B. Lizard. C. Carrots. And D. Rat. Which of the organisms given below can swim and walk? A. Fish. B. Snake. C. Frog. And D. Duck. Match the picture and write down the names of the organisms. Extended activities. Let us make a jigsaw puzzle. Draw an organism you like and color it. Paste it on a cardboard. Cut it into pieces and give them to your friend. Let your friend join the pieces and find out the organism. See the picture of some organisms made from leaves. Can you make more pictures? Collect pictures of organisms and prepare an album. Thank you.